Hey guys, what's up? I hope everyone's all good. We are fine here in Dubai. Um, so the war is still going. Pero wala nang mga or konti na lang yung mga missiles that are being fired here in the UAE. So that's good. Thank God for that. And ngayon, so let's talk about trading again. So good news. Okay, on Friday, um, I took a trade on oil. Okay, because of the situation. Okay, I went through all the news, through all the YouTube videos about the war, and if they are reaching a ceasefire or or kung merong resolution sa both sides, pero from what I understood, wala pa din. So that's why I took a trade on gold, hoping yes that it would shoot up by Monday. And it did. So it was a very good trade. This is my most profitable trade. Okay, so as from my other videos, I think it was Amprius Technologies. I reached my target profit of, I think it was around $6. But with oil, I got a whole lot more. So that's I'm so happy. When I woke up this morning, I showed it to my wife, and wow, and she said, how did you do that? Well, what did you do? So yeah, I mean, it was speculative somewhat, okay, but considering yung situation, okay, that is happening around us, you can safely assume that yes, oil prices will go high because the Strait of Hormuz was closed down, and they are now targeting oil refineries. So there was a target in Israel and one a big one in Iran. So if you add it up, yes, there will be a very high demand of oil because there is less in the market. So yun, it's great. I'm really stoked. So with that profit, okay, actually I closed it. Okay, I closed my trade, which is also fortunate. I closed it in the morning because in the afternoon or in the evening, I think it went down to 92. The high today was around 114. So I think I got most of the price, okay? And yeah, so I closed it, or I closed the trade right on time before it went down. I think it started going down at 9 a.m. Yep, so that's good. I woke up in the morning, but I woke up a bit late. So I woke up at around 7, and that's when it was at its highest. So yeah, so it It's a very good coincidence as well. So now with the profit I received from that trade, I entered some more, okay, but I used it for like some stocks which I can hold for the long term, for a long term. So it's nice, no, because see, I didn't have to shell out any of my money, the money from my savings or from my bank. I used my profit, okay, to buy more stocks. So it's circulating, which is, yeah, it's so nice. Okay, it's a nice feeling to have. So what I bought, okay, okay. So I still have because of the war, okay, I was going through some videos, okay, because of the war and you know how successful the Iran drones were during their encounters or their exchange of fires, exchange of fires between Israel and Iran. It was hugely successful. So people or the world is actually gaining knowledge that yes, okay, these drones are good to have, okay, in their arsenal. The biggest factor is that it's very cheap to make, okay. I mean, you know, if you think about it, you know, let's say uh, the drones on average cost around $40,000, while the interceptors, okay, to destroy these drones cost millions and millions of dollars. So yeah, so you know it doesn't add up strategically and financially. So that's why we are assuming, or yeah, we're assuming that yes, you know, countries will have learned from this situation, okay, this war, that yes, you know, you can, you know, have a cheaper offense, or you know, cheaper weapons, okay, in a time of war. So yun. So ang ginawa natin is I took, well, okay, from watching videos. That's why, you know, you guys need to keep on watching videos, because there's so many good information online, okay, from these people, these very knowledgeable people, okay, that you wouldn't know as, you know, as a graphic designer like me, okay. I wouldn't know that. Like, okay, you know, you need to look for, let's say, okay, if for kung example natin is, let's say, production of drones, right? Like, okay, you can invest in companies that develop the drones, but you can also invest in the companies that supplies parts to make these drones, okay. So that's what I did. I looked up some stocks and also did my own research and came up with a few. Actually, so with the profit I made from the oil, I bought two stocks, okay, shares of two stocks, and these are Big Bear AI Holdings, Okay, so Big Bear AI, I'll just read it out loud, okay? So Big Bear AI Holdings Incorporated is a technology-driven solutions provider specializing in big data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, cybersecurity, and cloud-based solutions across the globe. So, so yeah, they have a good mission. Okay, they have a good vision as well. This stock, while researching, I also asked ChatGPT to tell me, okay, find me a stock that is closest to Palantir. Palantir is a stock that skyrocketed. I'm not sure 200% within 1 to 2 years. So yeah, so to I'm not sure. Okay, please do your own research, but that's what I can remember. Maybe I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, so Big Bear has the same DNA as Palantir. So that's why I invested some of my profit to buy Big Bear AI Holdings. Their stock ticker is BBAI for your reference. And now they're only trading for $4.11. So it's a good buy, right? I mean, from this point in time, okay, they're just starting. So if they do become successful as Palantir, then yeah, it's a good long-term investment. And next I bought is Lantronix. Okay, Lantronix is a stock ticker LTRX. So Lantronix Incorporated is a global provider of intelligent IT and Internet of Things solution, specializing in robust hardware solutions and associated services. So this is more the hardware. So this is like what the components you make drones with, or other things. So yeah, so I put in some of the money here as well. And so far it's it I bought maybe 2 hours ago. I think 2 hours ago. And yeah, they're in the green already because of this war. Okay, because of this war and because of the advantage the drones are making during this war. So yeah, so those are the stocks, the AI stocks I just invested in. And actually I'm still apart from that, I'm still stocking up on my ETFs. I think, let me see, all the ETFs I have invested in are mostly in the red. The S&P 500 is negative 0.20%, and gold spider is negative 0.95%, and iShares Core MSCI is negative 0.43. I have one more. So VOO, and then QQQ is actually up 0.20%. QQQ is, I think these are tech stocks, is it? Let me see. Yeah, but it's one of those ETFs. They're composed of many blue chip companies. Yeah, so that's it. My future plans. For my future plans, I think I will keep stocking up on the two AI companies I mentioned. And as far as buying oil again, I don't know. I don't know. I think I feel the drama, okay, is has subsided already. So it's like, it's like the hype ended already with oil. So that's why I'm kind of hesitant to buy some more. Even, let's see, it's 93. I don't know if it's gonna go up to 100 again, because what else can you do? What else can you do? The Strait of Hormuz is already closed. They have already bombed the refineries. I don't know. I don't know if there's anything else you can do to make things worse. So I think, yeah, I think that's it. That's it. And I'm also look. There's one more AI company. One more AI company I am looking at right now, which is SoundHound.ai. So SoundHound AI. Okay, let me look it up for you. AI. So let's see about SoundHound. Okay, so SoundHound's independent voice AI platform connects people to brands through customized conversational experiences that voice-enabled products, services, and apps, while giving companies access to their valuable data and analytics for greater control. So, see, it's this app which you can install in cars. You can install maybe in your computer. You can install on your phone. Okay, it's I think it's voice AI. Okay, so when you talk to it, it also gathers data. So to make it more powerful, I think. Yeah, so it's like that. So they're also implementing it in the food industries and others. So see, that's another AI stock which I want to put some money into, but let's see how much it costs right now. See, it's 7.96. It's a good buy, but I'm still not convinced of the usability of this product or this company. But see, they have thrives by offering unique products to various companies. See, they have on their client list, they have Samsung, Snap, Krispy Kreme. Yeah, so I don't know yet. I don't know. Let's see. Let me still do my research. I think even Snap, no, even ChatGPT told me it's a good buy. But let's see. I need to convince myself also. Okay, guys, thank you, and that's all for today. Keep safe. Bye.